here for my weekend haul for you guys. Look, if y'all watched my last video, y'all know the deals have been extremely slow lately, and it's across the board, which sucks. I'm really hoping that things pick up soon. So look, for my weekend, I need 15 offers for $5. I really highly doubt that that's gonna happen because I feel like the deals are just not dealing. I do have some pretty decent deals to share with y'all today, which is cool. But even with that, I doubt I'm gonna hit my bonus. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay with the guns. What? I got 2 of them. Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure to smash like button. Support your girl. What else did I want to say? We did get some new surveys on Flavor Wiki, which is cool. Well, let me stop. It's not cool. Look, it's specific to size. You got to get like the 12 count. I think the only one you can get a 4 count or 5 count is the Good and Gather at Target. There's one for that one. You can get the 5 count. And the Perfect Bar, Walmart, there's one for a 4 count you can get. I got 4 different ones between my account and Joseph's account. And for these, again, you have to buy specific sizes. Pretty sure these don't include online. It just said to keep your receipt so that you could submit it. But it usually, if you can do online, it'll tell you that you can do online. And then you have to do a video too. So I'm not really sure if I'll do any of them this go around. The ones that are money makers are like literally like $1.50, if that. And on top of that, you gotta do a video. So I'm not really sure if I'll do any of them. I know that there's a rebate for Perfect Bar for the 4 count, and we have an Ibotta offer for that as well. So I don't know if I do anything, it'll probably just be that one. But I did get 4 different ones between my account and Joseph's account. The Go Macros is on there. I wish my Walmart sold them. I think they have them at Target though. So I don't know. I freaking love the Go Macros. Are like one of my favorite bars. I actually keep them in my gym bag. Like, to be honest, look. You don't believe me? I do. I have 4 in here. I just put 4 more in there because I ate the last one the other day. So I keep these in my gym bag. So the Go Macros are definitely one of my favorite bars. And so I probably will do that one because that's something that I buy anyways. And so with that being said, we're gonna head into Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what you can grab to do, keep on watching. So this first deal I'm going to go ahead and share. Now, I don't have this on checkout 51 anymore, but I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys. Even without checkout 51, it's still a great deal. All right, so for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of these Tyson. It's the lightly breaded ones. They're priced at $8.47. You're going to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $16.94. You'll get back $8.50 on Swagbucks. It's also on My Points Inbox, Tada, and EasyBucks as well. If you guys watched my last video, then we went over the most recent app. It's another sister app basically. All right. And then you're also going to be getting back $5 on Ibotta. I did submit on checkout 51 and got back $4. It brought them down to both free plus 56 cents. Now without checkout 51, it still makes them $1.72 each, which is definitely not a bad deal. So next up is the Perfect Bar. It looks like this store doesn't carry the single bars anymore. The single bar is priced at $2.62. There's an aisles offer making it free, and then we're getting back $1.25 on Ibotta. So it makes it a $1.25 moneymaker now. I'm gonna also grab the 4-pack as well. It did pop up on Flavor Wiki. It's on the peanut butter one, priced at $8.96. I'm getting back $10 on Flavor Wiki and 75 cents on Ibotta. It's weird, huh? Like the single bar, you're getting back $1.25 and it's cheaper, and the 4-pack costs more. You're only getting back 75 cents. Go figure. And so yeah, it's basically gonna end up making that a $1.79 moneymaker. All right, next up is the Violife. This is the one that I was talking about. A few of you guys had mentioned it in my comments. This is the one that I was saying that's really, really good. The seductive caramel, so freaking good. So it's priced at $48. This is a freebie on Ibotta. And so, all right, so next up is the Glade air fresheners. This pop up on Ibotta again for $1.50 back. So you want to grab one of them, priced at $2.38. You'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta. It's going to bring that down to only 88 cents. Deal on the oil as well. I saw Nicole post this deal. I'm not going to do it because you guys know I'm not doing Shopkick. I don't know. My mind might change at some point. Who knows? But as of right now, I'm still not doing Shopkick offers. And so it's on the 5 count. They're priced at $11.98. You want to grab one of them. Just make sure you scan them between Ibotta and Shopkick to make sure that it qualifies. So you'll pay $11.48. Actually, wait a minute. those are $11.98. They're $11.98 here. They cost more here. I don't see any for $11.48. Okay, well, if yours are priced at $11.48, you'd grab one, get back 5 on Ibotta, and then 1,140 kicks on Shopkick, which is $4.56. It would make it $192. So I guess for this price, for me, it would be what, $2.50? And so, yeah. All right, next up is the Arm & Hammer scent boosters. This popped back up on Ibotta. They're priced at $5.44. You're gonna grab one of them. You'll get back $3.50 on Ibotta. It's gonna bring that down to only $8.94 each with a limit of 3. I'm debating on doing this deal between Ibotta and Walmart Rewards since these sell pretty good for me. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so next up is the Arm & Hammer. Those bottles, it just seemed like the bottles are getting tinier and tinier. Is it just me? Because, like, those Arm & Hammers are super stupid tiny, and so are the gains. Where are they at? These little ones, they seem like they just got so much smaller. It's crazy. Let me see. Does Tide have a tiny little small bottle? I don't know. I just feel like everything is so freaking tiny now. Like, what the hell? And the bottle ain't even full. But anyways, this deal is on the Arm & Hammer. They're priced at $3.84. I just went on a little rant, didn't I? All right, getting back $2 on Ibotta makes them $1.84. All right, so next up is the Think protein bar. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. And I've never tried this brand before. Anyway, you have to grab the peanut butter flavors priced at $8.54. Getting back 10 on flavor wiki makes it $1.46 at Moneymaker. I bet the freaking this one right here is really freaking good. But you gotta get the peanut butter one. I bet this one's probably good too, but you gotta get this one right here. So yeah. All right, so we're gonna be grabbing the Carefree again. Select ones are on rollback. Well, they're all on rollback. It looks like. Well, no. Some are on rollback and some are on clearance. The ones you want are the ones on clearance. They're priced at $5.50. I've done the deal twice already. Gonna do it a third time using this $3 printable from coupons.com. That's gonna bring that total down to you paying $2.50, getting back 3 on Ibotta, limit of 1. Makes it a 50-cent moneymaker. Next up is the Extreme 3. We're gonna grab this deal again. The 4 count price at $6.78 using this $3 printable from coupons.com. That's going to bring that total down to you paying $3.78, getting back 4 on Ibotta, limit of 2. We'll make that a 22-cent moneymaker. All right. So last but not least is the Irish Spring. Ooh, look, they redid the bottles. Seems like they're repackaging a lot of the stuff. As long as they don't change the ounces, right? Because we want every ounce that we previously got. They be repackaging stuff, making it look all pretty with bells and whistles and rainbows and stuff, and then they give you less for the same price. But anyway, so listen, so we're gonna grab the Irish Spring price at $4.97. Grabbing 2 of those, you end up paying $9.94, getting back 4 on Ibotta for buying 2. You also get back 4 on Swagbucks for buying 2. Brings them down to 97 cents each, which is not necessarily a bad deal. And so yeah. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. I wanted to take a second and pop up the winners of my Snuggle coupon, that little hang tags that I found last week. I did a giveaway in that video. So I'm gonna pick 3 winners. You guys are gonna get probably 2 or 3 coupons each. I gotta see how many I have. I think I have enough to give you probably 3 each. I'll also toss in the mail one as well because I did find some more of those. They're like different hang tags, but they're $2 off and they expire the end of the year as well. And they're good for 20 ounces or more. That other one is good for like, I think the 30 ounce or bigger. And so I'll toss those in as well. And so these are my 3 winners. I'll pop up my email address for you to contact me with your address, and I'll get those sent to you as soon as possible. The mail coupons from the last giveaway, I sent those out. You probably should have those already. There was 3 of you guys. And so with that being said, let's jump on into this breakdown. So I went ahead and included the Tyson with this haul. I did that it was like a little run deal that I did. I tossed that into this video. Even if you don't have checkout 51, it's still a pretty decent deal because it makes them less than $2 a bag, but I think it's pretty good. With the Perfect Bar, I didn't even realize at the time. Like, I just noticed it right now when I was doing my breakdown, but I did get an extra $2 offer on the bar. So I got one for $1.25, one for $2. So I actually got back $3.25 from Ibotta, plus the aisles offer. So it made that a $3.25 moneymaker, which is really, really cool because I didn't expect that. I did do my surveys for Flavor Wiki for the Think protein bar as well as the Perfect Bar, which is crazy because I've never tried the Perfect Bar until now, and I actually really like it. I didn't eat the whole thing. I just took like maybe 2 or 3 bites off the top of it, but I like it that it actually is actually really good. One of you guys said that you really like that one as well. The Think one is really, really good, and so I'm always happy to get stuff like that, to be honest. And so surveys for that are both done. I did the shortest video ever, 35 seconds of what I thought about it, and that was it. All right. I went ahead and did the Arm & Hammer and the Irish Spring on both Walmart Rewards as well as Ibotta. I would have normally got that deal, and that's why this haul is a cost for me. But I figured those items sell really good for me, and so I'm gonna get those listed like today, and I'm pretty sure they'll be sold by tomorrow morning. And so that's why I grabbed it on both. And again, I do Walmart Rewards first, and then once it hits my Walmart reward or my Walmart account, then I use that and I roll it back into the Ibotta offer. So that's what I did for this as well. My coupons for today, they all scanned perfectly fine. They're still scanning the razors as well as the Carefree. I did get that back on Ibotta. I was a little nervous this time around because a lot of you guys have been saying that you're not getting credit on Ibotta when you use the coupon. I believe the Extreme one doesn't exclude the coupon though. But I've been getting credit. I am still getting credit. But I was nervous because I was like, well, man, maybe they fixed it. But they didn't fix it for me yet, so I'm going to still do it. I'm probably maxed out by now anyways because that was the only offer I still had left with the razors. I wanted to try the coupon with the Irish Spring, but I didn't. So if it resets, I will probably try it and see if it works with Ibotta. Other than that, I don't have a lot of receipts. I misplaced my Tyson receipt. I don't know where it's at, but I only had 3 receipts today because I did the Arm & Hammer for Walmart Rewards first when it hit my Walmart account. And then I decided to do the Irish Spring separate. It hit my Walmart account. And then I just rolled that for $14.50 back into the Ibotta transaction. But yeah, not a lot of receipts today. And so everything you see here retails $113.76. I had $9 in coupons. Again, they all scanned. That brought my out-of-pocket down to $104.76. My sales tax was $5.12. And then we get back $39.38 from my Ibotta. Flavor Wiki is $20. Hopefully I'll get that tomorrow because I noticed when not a lot of people do the offers, or when you do it really fast, it goes through really fast. So I'm hoping that I'll get that back tomorrow. Walmart Rewards was $14.50, and I did finally get over $900, you guys, which is so awesome for Walmart Rewards. So that's crazy. Swagbucks is $12.50, and the Irish Spring is in review. Checkout 51, $4. My points is $4.25, and that one is also in review. I was gonna do both of the Irish Spring on Swagbucks, but it went into review, so I couldn't. So I had to do my points. But they are both in review. And so getting back a total of $94.63 makes everything here a net cost of $10.13, y'all. So $10 for all this, I don't really think it's bad at all. I know it's not no money maker. I know, okay? You don't have to remind me. I know that already. But $10 for this, I'll take it. All right, I will definitely 100% take it. And so with that being said, if you made it to the end, I appreciate you guys watching. What is your favorite deal this weekend? And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.